Hi everyone, I'm here with another video. In this video, I will be discussing Karnataka State Eligibility Test for Assistant Professor. In this video, I am discussing Life Science 2014 question paper. So let's discuss one by one. Already have mentioned the answers in the same question paper. Read out the first question. The bond formed by sharing of electrons between two atoms is called as. So, sharing of electrons between two atoms will be called as covalent bond. So, this is the right answer for this question. Read out the next question. Which of the following enzyme causes DNA strand separation during the replication? So, consider this as a DNA. These are the bases. So, during the process of replication, these DNA strands has to get separated. This separation is done by the special enzyme, that is helicase. This helicase enzyme will open the double stranded DNA into separate strand. So B is the right answer for this question. Then read out the third one. The reversal of gene order, which may result when two breaks occur in the same chromosome, is called. So that will be called as inversion. Inversion is the process where the gene order result into two breaks in the same chromosome. So inversion is the right answer for this question. Then fourth one, which of the following sequences correctly describes the cell cycle phases? So here they have given regarding the cell cycle. So this is the cell cycle. This is M phase. Then comes the Z0 phase. Then Z1 phase. Then S phase and G2 phase. So here they have given regarding the cell cycle. Let's A G1 G2 S G. So this one is wrong. B S G2 mitosis G1 G0. This is also wrong. Instead of G1, if they have given Z0 Z1, then it would have been correct. C Z0 Z1 S G2 mitosis. This is right. Then mitosis G1 G0 S G2. This is also right because some of the cell, if they enter into Z1, they can go back to G0 stage also. So here both C and D is considered as a right answer for this question. Then fifth one, in which type of cleavage the egg or ovum is not completely divided into blastomeres? So in which type of cleavage the egg or ovum is not completely divided? So that is in discoidal meroblastic cleavage, where you will not come across this the blastomere which is not completely divided. So C is the right answer. Then sixth one, cancers arising from epithelial cells are called as, that is carcinoma. So carcinoma, where you will come across the cancers on the epithelial cell. So B is the right answer. Then seventh, vermiform appendix is a part of which of the following? Vermiform appendix, it is one of the vestigial organ and it will be present on the alimentary canal. So A is the right answer. Then eighth one, respiratory system of cockroaches. Cockroach, it is a arthropod or an insect. So in this one, we will come across a respiratory system, that is tracheal system, that is trachea. So 8D is the right answer. The next question, which hormone regulates the amount of urine by controlling the rate of water absorption in the nephron tubules? That is ADH, that is antidiuretic hormone, or we can call it as a vasopressin. Vasopressin. So these vasopressin or the antidiuretic hormone, it is mainly released from the posterior pituitary, and these hormone, they help in the controlling the rate of water absorption in a nephron tubules. So B is the right answer. Then 10th one, in which of the following technique radionuclides are used? So radionuclides are used in PET scan. In this scan, we use the radionuclides. So A is the right answer for 10th question. Then read out the 11th question. Which of the following could not be a correlation coefficient? So that is C is the right answer. Then 12th question. Which of the following is arranged in correct sequence for systematic classification? Arranged in sequence, correct sequence. So we begin from kingdom, then phylum, then class, order, family, genus, and the last one, that is species. So it is a correct order of taxonomic hierarchy. So 12th B is the right answer. Kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, and species. So B is the right answer. Then read out the next question. Formation of diverse species from a single ancestor is called. So diverse, a single ancestor into many diverse species. So this will be considered as a adaptive radiation. Adaptive radiation. So 13D is the right answer. 14, life on earth originated about, that is 3.5 billion years ago. So it is a direct answer. Life on earth has been originated around 3.5 billion years ago. Then 15th one, diversity encompass. So diversity will be observed based on the species richness. If the species number is more, then diversity can be observed. So 15A is the right answer. The Great Barrier Reef exists nearer to, that is in Australia. So where we can see the Great Barrier Reef. Then the term halophilic refers to halophil or halophilic or halophilic means a salt. Halophile, halophiles, thermoacidophile, halophiles. So halophiles means those which have the capacity to tolerate the salinity, that is salt. 17B is the right answer. Then next question. Next question, 18th one. The isotope used in the treatment of Graves' disease is. So consider this as a Graves, or if you want, you can study more regarding the same question. 19th, in a sample of DNA, analysis of its base composition showed that the proportion of Ag was not equal to Tc, hence this DNA is, that is single stranded DNA. In double stranded DNA, A plus G equals to T plus C, that is, that is the according to Chargaff rule. So it will be equal in case of the double stranded DNA. In case of single stranded DNA, they are not proportional. So B is the right answer for this question. Then 20th question, hydrogen bonds can be formed with the following except, that is C is the right answer for this question. Then read out the 21st question. The expression of tryptophan, that is tryptophan operon in E. coli, is regulated in part by the availability of tryptophan. This regulation is called, that is attenuation. So attenuation is the term that will be used for this kind of regulation. So 21 is the right answer. Then 22nd question. The rate constant of a reaction at 293 degree Kelvin was found to be 3.2 into 10 to the power of 3 per second at 303 Kelvin. It is likely to be, that is B is the right answer. 23, a Ramachandran plot. So this Ramachandran plot represent a sterically allowed conformation of polypeptide. So 23 is the right answer. 24, peptidyl transferase reaction is catalyzed by, that is ribosomal RNA. So this ribosomal RNA will catalyze a reaction, that is peptidyl transferase. So 25th, the enzyme responsible for generation of IP3 in cells is, that is phospholipase C is the right answer for this question. Then next question, that is 26th question. The complementarity determining region of an immunoglobulin molecule is located in, that is VH and VL domain. So in this domain we can come across a complementarity determining region of an hemoglobin. Then 27th question, one of the X chromosome in human females undergo dash type of heterochromatization, that is facultative. So this, it is a right answer for this question. So in X chromosome in human female undergo facultative type of heterochromatization. B is the right answer. pH of lysozyme is maintained by proton pump, that is H plus. So this H plus, that is proton pump, can maintain the pH of lysozyme. Then 29th question, replicative transposition is characterized by, replicative transposition is characterized by the original sequence remains in place and new sequence is inserted at a different location. So D is the right answer for this question. Then 30, major nucleotide repeats of a telomere is, that is guanine rich repeats. So this guanine 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 sequence, it will get repeated in this telomere. So B is the right answer. Functional property of mRNA is, that is translation. As you all know, in a central dogma, a DNA will give rise to mRNA. This mRNA will give rise to a protein through the process, that is translation. So D is the right answer for this question. 32. Calcium independent cell surface adhesion molecule is, that is Ig superfamily, where you will not come across any calcium. So this one will be considered as a calcium independent cell surface adhesion molecule. So C is the right answer. Then 33. On removing thyroid from the tadpole, it will remain as tadpole. So neoteny process, neoteny. So where you studied significance of thyroid in a development. If you remove a thyroid, then iodine secretion will get reduced. Due to that, there is no development in a tadpole. So A is the right answer for this question. Then 34. The functional unit of vertebrate excretory system is, that is a functional unit of kidney or the excretory system, that is nephron. So D is the right answer for this question. Then next question, 35th. Master of master gland is, as you all know, master gland is pituitary. So master of master gland, that will be the hypothalamus. Hypothalamus is considered as master of master gland. So A is the right answer for this question. Which will be the genotype ratio of the cross between BB and BB? So if you make a cross, that is BB into BB, so you will get two gametes. In this one you will get a single gamete, so that is BB BB, that is 1:1. So C is the right answer for this question. So 36, C is the right answer. The next question, next question 37. The correct number of human chromosome was first reported by, so that is the scientist TGO and Levin. They discovered regarding the correct number of human chromosome, that is TGO and Levin. Then 38th question, mutation which replaces purine to purine and pyrimidine to pyrimidine, this one will be transition. So make it consider this as one thing, that is adenine and guanine. Here I don't see and T. So these are purines. This one is also purine. This one is also purine. This one is pyrimidine. This one is also pyrimidine. So if we change or if you replace pyrimidine with pyrimidine, purine with purine, this one will be considered as what? Transition. It will be considered as transition. And pyrimidine to pyrimidine, it is also considered as transition. If you replace purine with pyrimidine, then it will be considered as what? That will be considered as transversion. So I will write it here in shortcut. I will write here in shortcut, that is, so if if you replace purine to purine or pyrimidine to pyrimidine, then it will be called as what? Transition. If you replace purine with pyrimidine, then it will be considered as transversion. So here 38A is the right answer. Then 39, the totality of genes of a given population is called as gene pool. Total number of genes is called as gene pool. Here totality of genes of a given population, or we can call it as total number of genes in a population, that will be counted as gene pool. So B is the right answer. Then 40th question, Darwinian fitness of an organism is the measure of number of viable offsprings. Fitness, survival of the fittest, a struggle for existence, these are the theories given by the Darwin. Here they have given regarding the Darwinian fitness. This fitness of an organism is measured by a number of viable offsprings. So the capacity to produce a young ones which are viable, that will be considered as a Darwinian fitness. So D is the right answer. Then 41, which of the following are sympatric species? Sympatric, parapatric species. Again, it will come under the evolution chapter. Sympatric means a different species living in a same place. Sim means same place. In the same place, if you come across a different species, then it will be considered as a sympatric. So 41 is the right answer. Then 42, which one of the following species is listed in Red Data Book of India? That is this one, D. Ocrinaculia missionis. So D is the right answer. Then 43, the state having the largest area of forest cover in India is, that is MP, Madhya Pradesh. So this is the right answer for this question. Then read out the 44th question. The climax community is the state of. Climax means the equilibrium or a saturation. So that is A is the right answer for this question. Then 45th, which of the following traits do archaea and bacteria share? So archaea and bacteria share. Archaea, that is the false or pseudobacteria, the and the bacteria. So archaebacteria, where you will come across the thermoacidophiles, halophiles, and methanogens. So in these organism, we come across a presence of plasma membrane, and also we come across a lack of nuclear envelope, as both bacterias. These bacteria are considered as prokaryotes. Pro means primitive, and they lack the nuclear envelope. So this is true. Then composition of cell wall. So it will be different in these organism. Then identical rRNA sequences. It is also false. So 2 and 3 are correct regarding the archaea and bacteria. Then 46th question, which of the following is a false statement? So A, what they have given, A blood group individuals have B antibodies. Yes, it is true. B blood group individuals have A antibodies. It is also true. AB blood group individuals have A antigen and B antibody. So this is wrong. O blood group individuals have both antibodies. Yes, it is also true. So C is the wrong answer. So I will make it a tabular column here. So consider it as a blood group. So consider it as blood group. There are four different blood groups, A and B, AB, AB and O. So then second one, so antibodies, antigen on RBC. Then third one, antibodies in a plasma, in plasma, then donors. So you should remember this table, then you can easily identify the things here. In case of A blood group, on the RBC, salvo or the membrane of the RBC contains the antigen, that is A. Antibodies in the plasma would be, that is anti-B. So donor of this blood group A and O. Then in case of B blood group, antigen on RBC would be B. So antibodies in a plasma, that is anti A. Then donors, that is P and O. Then AB blood group. So in AB blood group, so this one will be nil. But antibodies in plasma, sorry. So I will make a little bit a correction here. In this AB blood group, so antigen on RBC would be both A and B, but antibodies in plasma will be nil, so they can receive blood from all the individuals like A, B, AB and O. So these AB blood group individuals can receive blood from all the individuals. So they were considered as universal acceptors or the recipients. So in this O, antigen on RBC would be nil, whereas antibodies in plasma would be A and B, and the donor would be O. So due to this, here the AB blood group individuals have A antigen and B antibody. No, antibodies are nil, only antigens are present. So C is the wrong answer for this question. Then 47th question. Read out the 47th question. When pea and rose comb chickens are crossed, what is the comb phenotype in a F1 individual? That is walnut comb. So these are the different shape of the combs. When pea and rose comb chickens are crossed, after crossing these two, you will get this walnut comb. So D is the right answer. Then 48. Who coined the term prebiotic soup? That is JBS Haldane. So he coined this term, that is prebiotic soup. Then 49. In which of the following provirus DNA is formed in viral life cycle? That is Rose sarcoma virus. So it is the right answer for this question. And the last question, the oldest microfossil so far of age 3.5 billion years ago was, that is cyanobacteria. So this is cyanobacteria. It is the first organism to evolve on the earth. So 3.5 billion years ago, this cyanobacteria has been formed. So and it is considered as 3.5 billion year old microfossil. So 50 is the right answer. So in this video I have solved the 2014 question paper. So I will discuss the second part of the same question paper in the next video. Please do follow and support my channel. Thank you.